Welcome to Mystic Message Archival UI. Upon entering the application, users will begin on the dashboard screen, where we showcase the message data captured from each carrier. The carrier data is segmented in distinct graphics to provide a nice snapshot of the messages and attachments collected on a daily, weekly, and lifetime basis. To search archived messages, users will navigate to the Reports tab in the left navigation bar to conduct searches on text messages captured and archived from their organization. Users can also select the advanced search to conduct and/or statement searches, and quickly access previous searches saved by selecting the Save Search tab. When searching for archived messages, set the parameter of a search with a carrier, keyword, phone number, or date range. I'm going to conduct a search and start by setting the carrier, and then add a phone number that ends in 0123. Now I'll search. You'll see the total number of results from your search displayed in the bottom right corner of the table. The main part of the table displays a phone number a text message is sent from, who the message is sent to, the timestamp, text message, carrier, and whether or not there's a file attachment. The green message bubbles on each row allow for users to view each text message within a conversation. I want to continue refining my search by adding a date range to display only the text messages between 11:20 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. on February 17th. And finally, I'm going to add the keyword Washington. This will bring back the exact message I was searching for. To view the details of this text, I'll simply click on the message row. All the data we receive from the carrier for an individual text message will be displayed here. Select more details to see any additional metadata. Now this message is a group conversation and also has an attachment. So I can see all the phone numbers this message was sent to in the To field, and also see the file name of the attachment displayed in the Attachment field. Finally, to view the attachment, simply click on the Attachments tab at the top. Now that we found the message we're looking for, I want to see it in a conversation view. But first, I want to work out of dark mode. I'm simply going to click the moon icon in the upper right-hand corner of the page and change the display. Now to view a message within a conversation, I'll find the message and click on the green conversation view icon in that specific row. Sliding out from the right part of the screen will be the conversation thread. The message that is outlined with a border is the text message we selected. Each message contains the date and time and the phone number. Since this is a group conversation, the message bubbles in gray will be the messages from other phone numbers. To get a quick summary of the conversation, users can read the generated summary that is highlighted at the top part of the conversation view screen. Scroll down to view newer messages, and scroll up to view older messages of the conversation. Finally, add a keyword in the search field to filter by keyword search. After completing your search, users can begin the export process by clicking the Export Messages button on the upper right side of the table. There are 3 report types to choose from: CSV, XLSX, and RSMF. For this export, I'll stick with the CSV and click Submit to export all messages. Depending on the size of the download, the exports may take some time. Users will receive an email notification when ready for download. Now that an export has been requested, we'll navigate to the Exports tab in the left navigation bar. Here, users will see the exports requested from all the users within their organization that have access to Mystic Message Archival. To see the query that was conducted, simply click the export row, and the details of the export will display. I've received an email notification that my export has now been completed, so I'm going to refresh my screen, and I'll click View Export. Here, users can download their exports as zip files by selecting the Download button. The contents within the zip file are the CSV, as well as any attachments. The file name of the attachments can be correlated to a text message listed within the CSV file, so attachments can be easily traced. I'll open the CSV, which contains all of the messages that I exported. Each message includes all of the metadata we received from the carrier. Finally, I'll highlight the attachment to show it's the same file name as the attached file within the zip. Thank you for your consideration of Mystic Message Archival.